prove it.
The octonauts and the snot sea cucumber.
Where does this piece go? I think I know.
Quasi, sound the octo alert.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Octonauts, to the HQ. Octonauts, we need to... Whoa! Oh, my! Whoa!
What was that shaking, Captain?
It felt like some sort of tremor, Peso.
An underwater tremor, to be exact. It's caused when the bottom of the ocean starts to shake.
And now our ship is tilted. Quasi, Tweak, let's get the octopod standing straight again.
Aye, Captain.
Sure thing, Cap.
There's our problem. The shaking damaged one of the octopod legs.
No worries, Cap. We'll have the ship fixed faster and you can say, buncha munchy crunchy carrots.
Buncha, muncha, crunchy. Oh, never mind.
What be making that strange sound?
Look, over there.
It's a slimy pink pudding.
I'm pretty sure it's a sea cucumber.
Ow! Ow! Ow!
That rock must have fallen on it during the tremor.
Ow! Ow!
We're gonna help you, little fella. We need Peso down here, right away.
Peso reporting for medical duty, sir. Don't worry. I'm here to help you feel better.
You wanna fix the octopod, Cap?
Thanks, Tweak.
This is a type of animal called a sea cucumber.
Ooh, you really are slippery. So you think my patient is some sort of sea cucumber?
Snot sea cucumber, actually.
Oh, it's not a sea cucumber.
Yes, it is a sea cucumber. Snot, to be exact.
Dr. Shellington, either it is a sea cucumber or it's not.
It's not.
It's not.
No, not. It's not. It's snot. Snot. You see how it's covered in slippery, slimy snot? Being covered in slimy snot makes it easy to slip away from anything that tries to catch it. And that's why it's called a snot sea cucumber.
Oh, snot sea cucumber.
No, I mean, yes, I think.
It's okay, little Slippy. It doesn't look too bad. I'll just bandage you up and you'll be as good as new. Please hold still, or I won't be able to... Come here now. Oh. Whoa, whoa!
Oops.
Whoa! Slippy? Slippy, are you under here? Hello? Slippy, where are you? I slimy snot. Injured snot sea cucumber on the loose. Injured snot sea cucumber on the loose.
That's not good, Captain. A snot sea cucumber needs water to breathe. She can't be out of the water for too long.
All Octonaut hands on deck. Injured snot sea cucumber on the loose.
And her name is Slippy.
Avast, you slimy critter! Come to Quasi!
All fixed. And faster than you can say bunch of munchy, crunchy carrots.
Now, our snot sea cucumber was last seen sliding into an octo chute.
Aye, she's a slippery one, all right.
According to my calculations, we have less than 5 minutes to get her back into the water so she can breathe.
Octonauts, we must find her now. She's probably looking for water, so search in places where there's water.
There's water right there. Water right there. And water not in there. Water in there.
Captain, we're running out of time.
Oh no! What are we going to do?
But she
There's
happy.
only one thing we can do, Peso. If we can't bring the snot sea cucumber to the ocean, let's bring the ocean to the snot sea cucumber.
Huh?
We'll flood the octopod.
You mean fill it with water?
Yow! Hi there, Captain. It's all fixed.
Attention all Octonauts. Put on your diving helmets. Opening all hatches. We're flooding the octopod.
Yep, faster than you can say flooding the octopod?
In 10 seconds, the octopod will be completely filled with water. 9,
Hang on, Slippy.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Captain, we still can't find Slippy.
Wherever she is, at least she can breathe.
But she's still hurt.
There has to be somewhere we haven't looked.
Right over your head.
Over my head? That doesn't make any sense.
Maybe not, but there she be, right over your head.
Oh, yes. Gently now. We don't want to frighten her again.
It's all right, Slippy. We're not going to hurt you. Gotcha! This won't hurt a bit. Good as new. You should heal nicely. And here's a sticker for being my slipperiest patient ever.
Thank you.
Great. Now let's get you back out into the ocean. And the ocean back out of the octopod.
Well, at least things are back to normal. Sort of.
Yep, Cap. Looks like we'll be picking seaweed out of the ship for a long time.
But it was worth it.
That was the last piece, but there's still one missing. Where could it be? Slippy, come on now. That's not the way you play with puzzles. It's not. Well, it's not. Oh, snot. Snot.
Yes, it's not. So it is. That doesn't make sense. Snot. Get it? It's not. It's not. It's not. Where's the snot? Oh, it is not. It is not. It's not. It's not. What is it telling? It's not. It's gonna come up. It's not. It's not easy. It's not easy. It's not. Go. That's not. See, go. No, Dr. Shellington.
The Octonauts and the Artificial Reef.
This little reef is only a few years old, but it's already full of life.
Aye, this reef is busy, even if it's not very big.
Hey, it's big enough.
Who said that?
I'm right here.
Show yourself.
Oh, here I am. I'm a frogfish. Name's Anton.
Wow, you look so much like the reef. I didn't see you there, matey.
That is the idea. I'm camouflaged, which means I blend in with what's around me. It keeps me safe from bigger fish who want to eat me, like those sharks.
Sharks?
Everybody hide. I thought I smelled food. Let's head to a bigger reef. Oh, see what I mean?
You fooled them, matey.
Fasten. The Octonauts and the parrotfish.
Now this is a picture of me grandfather, Calico Jack. It's because of him that I chose the pirate life.
Wow. He looks very cool and very piratey with that parrot on his shoulder.
That was his parrot sidekick, Pete. Calico Jack and Pete were devoted to each other, as parrot and pirate are meant to be.
What else do you know about him?
Well, matey, there is a song about him.
A song? Can you sing it?
Aye, I can sing it. Most of it, anyway. He hunted for treasure. He scratched for fleas. The bravest cat on the 7 seas. Once he got going, he never turned back. And that's the truth about Calico Jack. He always had courage. He couldn't be beat. Arr!
Ah?
That's as much as I know. I've never been able to find out what the last line of the song is.
You'll find out someday. I know it.
I hope you're right, Peso. Uh-oh. The frame's broken, but at least the picture's all right.
What's that on the other side?
Shiver me whiskers! There be a map hidden on the back of this picture.
I reckon it'd be a treasure map. Pirates always hide their treasure maps.
Aye, matey. I'm certain this map will lead us to the treasure of Parrot Island. Me grandfather, Calico Jack, must have wanted me to find this map, Captain. Look, X marks the treasure of Parrot Island. And I'm gonna find it.
But how do we find it?
We're looking for a parrot-shaped island.
With a volcano on one side.
And a little island with a palm tree on the other.
Dashi?
I'm already on it, Captain. I'm matching it to the maps on our computer.
That's not it.
No, not quite.
Nope, that's definitely not it.
No, that's, what? Ah, she blows! Yeah, 'tis not far from here.
Then let's explore the island and find the treasure. Quasi, sound the Octo alert.
Aye, aye, Captain!
Octonauts, to the launch bay. Octonauts, our mission is to find the treasure of Parrot Island and explore the...
Let's go, Captain!
All right, Peso, into the guppy with Quasi.
Yes, Captain.
According to the map, we should be coming up on some kind of green blobs.
I wonder what it could be.
Algae, and lots of it.
Yeah!
It's impossible to see where we're going now.
Captain, look!
Ahoy there, mateys. I can clean this windscreen in no time.
Thank you.
Thanks, me hearty. No problem. Algae is my favourite snack. Well, matey, it's lucky for us that you like this scurvy muck. Ah, you sound like a pirate. Yeah, I am a pirate. Oh, I've always wanted to meet a real live pirate. My name's Parrotfish Pete. A parrotfish named Pete. Me grandfather Calico Jack had a parrot named Pete. Calico Jack, the famous pirate, was your grandfather? So you've heard of him? I'm a big fan of pirates. What be your name? I be Quasi. I could be your sidekick. Quasi and his trusty sidekick, Pete the parrotfish. Doesn't that sound great? Well, pirates usually have parrots as sidekicks, not parrotfish. Well, I've got a beak like a parrot, but I'm even better than a parrot. Look, I can change me colours. Wow. Yeah, parrots can't do that.
That's true.
And parrots won't clean the algae off your windscreen either.
That certainly was a big help.
All right then, but we're in a hurry to find some treasure, matey, so you'll have to keep up. Whoa! My first day as a trusty pirate sidekick, and I get to search for treasure.
Let's go, Parrotfish Pete.
What do you think these pointy things are?
I wish I knew. I'll swim ahead and find out for you, mateys. Ahoy, mateys! This reef be full of sharp, jagged edges and narrow passageways. I think your ship is too big to fit through it. But according to the map, we have to go through it to find the treasure.
Then we'll leave the gup here and swim the rest of the way.
I wonder what these squiggly lines are. Are we going in there? What's that? And that! And that! Now we know what those squiggly lines on the map are. Eels!
Aye, moray eels. These waters are full of them, matey.
And look at their sharp teeth.
But we have to get past them to find the treasure.
How are we going to do that?
I can get us past them, me hearties. How? Moray eels like to eat parrotfish, but we have a way of protecting ourselves from them. First, I cover myself in a bubble. The eels can't see very well, and this bubble makes it so they can't smell me either.
Which means they leave you alone. Very clever.
That might be fine for you, but we can't make bubbles, me hearty. Oh, I'll make them for you.
Octonauts, let's do this. They can't smell peso anymore. We're safe now.
Phew.
Pete, we never would have made it without your protective bubbles.
Aw, it was nothing. Parrotfish Pete, any pirate will be proud to call you his sidekick.
Aw, thanks, Quasi.
According to the map, Parrot Island should be right around here.
Let's swim to the surface and look for it. Look, there's the volcano.
And there's the little island with the palm tree.
Yeah, but there's no Parrot Island anywhere. Maybe me grandfather's map was wrong.
Avast! Down here, mateys.
Huh? Down!
Look at that!
Wow!
It's an underwater island.
Aye, and Parrot Island
Is actually Parrotfish Island.
and there's me grandfather's treasure. Huh? What's this key for?
Oh, look, a keyhole.
I'll try it, matey. He hunted for treasure, he scratched for fleas. The bravest cat on the 7 seas. Once he got going, he never turned back. And that's the truth about Calico Jack. He always had courage, he couldn't be beat. When he set sail with his parrot piece.
Quasi, you found it. The last line of the song.
Aye, me hearty.
Now that's a treasure for sure.
How can I ever thank you, Pete?
Don't mention it.
So, what do you say? You want to keep being me parrotfish sidekick?
Well, it's been exciting being a sidekick, but now that we've found Parrotfish Island, I think I'd like to stay here with the other parrotfish.
All right, me hearty, I understand. But how about your very own song to remember your pirate days by?
A song about me?
You don't have to worry when you get in trouble, cause Pete will protect you with his special bubble. As brave friends go, he can't be beat, and that's the story of Parrotfish Pete.
These other fish can't blend in like the frogfish, but the reef has lots of places for them to hide.
This reef keeps us and all our friends safe.
It is our home sweet home.
Oh!